This video describes 3 patterns that use ga. A key point to remember about these patterns is that the entire sentence states or provides new information. When this icon appears, pause the video and say the Japanese out loud. This will help you remember better. In the video, the word someone is abbreviated to SO and something is abbreviated to ST. This video explains 3 patterns, so let's look at an example of the first one.
午前9時ごろ、関東地方で地震がありました。
Notice how the example shows the time, place, and subject before the verb. Like all 3 patterns in this video, the entire sentence states or provides new information. In this case, someone or something, the subject, occurs or does something. The verb can be past, present, or future, and the time or place might be omitted. Let's look at a couple more examples.
昨日息子が生まれました。明日、両親が日本に来ます。
Those were examples of the first pattern, so let's look at an example of the second pattern.
冷蔵庫にビールがありますよ。
Note that the example is stating that something exists in a location. Use the pattern to state that something or someone, the subject, exists in or at or on a location. Let's look at a couple of examples.
隣に赤ちゃんがいます。同じマンションに部長が住んでいます。
Those examples were for the second pattern. Let's look at an example of the third pattern.
あ、電気が消えた。
In this pattern also, you've got an optional time and place, followed by a subject and a verb. Use this pattern to state an immediate observation about some different from usual fact about someone or something, the subject. It's usually accompanied by a feeling, like surprise, doubt, joy, embarrassment, etc. The time or place might be omitted. Let's look at a couple of examples.
あ、桜が咲いてる。財布が落ちていますよ。
So that finishes the explanation of the 3 patterns. So let's try some practice examples.
「今日学校で先生が怒った。あの先生はよく怒るね。明日からオリンピックが始まりますね。オリンピックはいつ終わりますか？そのカバンにお金が入っていました。そのお金はどうしましたか？棚の上に猫が座っていますね。あの猫はよくあそこに座っています。 玄関のチャイムが鳴った。あのチャイムはテレビの音だよ。お母さん、太郎が勉強しているよ。太郎はいつもゲームをしているのに。
If you like learning with graphics and sound files, check out our eBooks on Apple Books and Amazon. Also note that the Apple edition lets you access all the sound files from inside the actual ebook. As always, if you liked this video, please give it a like. If you want to hear about new videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.